If you just bought the iPhone 17 Pro Max, don't start taking photos yet, because there are a few camera settings hidden inside iOS that can completely change your photo and video quality. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact settings I recommend enabling right away, and one setting that most iPhone users never even notice. Let's get started. First, open Settings, then scroll down and tap Camera. Now tap on Formats. Here, first select Camera Capture, High Efficiency. Then tap on Photo Mode and select 24 megapixel. Then back to previous page. Here, turn on Resolution Control. This unlocks Apple's full resolution shooting modes and gives you access to the highest quality image capture options. The iPhone 17 Pro Max features three 48 megapixel rear cameras, so you can capture significantly more detail when needed. Next, go back to Camera Setting and tap Preserve Settings. Turn on Camera Mode, Creative Controls, Exposure Adjustment, Macro Control. This prevents your favorite settings from resetting every time you open the camera app. Now, go back to Camera Setting and tap Grid and Level. Enable Grid Level. The grid helps you compose better shots using the rule of thirds, while level ensures perfectly straight horizon lines. Most people skip this setting, but it instantly makes photos look more professional. Next, scroll down and turn on Lens Correction, Macro Control, Lens Cleaning Hints. Lens Correction reduces distortion on the ultra-wide camera, while Macro Control gives you manual control when shooting close-up subjects. Apple's ultra-wide camera supports high-resolution macro photography for incredible detail. Now let's improve your photo quality. Open the Camera app. At the top of the screen, tap the Resolution button and switch to 48 megapixels whenever you're shooting landscapes, travel photos, architecture, or anything with lots of detail. The difference is huge. Your photos will have more sharpness and allow better cropping later. However, for everyday photos, 24 megapixel works great and saves storage space. Here's a hidden feature most users don't know. Open the Camera app and press and hold on your subject until you see AEAF Lock. This locks focus and exposure. If you've ever taken a photo and watched the brightness suddenly change, this feature fixes that problem instantly. For portraits, use the 2x lens whenever possible. The iPhone 17 Pro Max creates optical quality 2x images from its main sensor, producing more natural-looking portraits with better facial proportions. Now let's talk about video settings. Go to Settings, Camera, Record Video. Set it to 4K at 60 FPS. This gives you incredibly smooth footage with excellent detail. If you want a cinematic movie look, switch to 4K at 24 FPS before recording. For YouTube videos, vlogs, and social media content, 4K 60 FPS is usually the best choice. Then turn on Enhanced Stabilization and HDR Video. Then tap on Auto FPS and turn off. If you're a serious creator, turn on Apple ProRes inside Camera Settings. ProRes records higher quality video with more editing flexibility, although it uses significantly more storage. The iPhone 17 Pro Max supports professional ProRes recording up to 4K. Another hidden feature is photographic styles. Open the Camera app, swipe through the controls, and select Photographic Styles. Choose a style that matches your content. For tech videos and product shots, I recommend a slightly richer contrast setting. For portraits, keep it natural. Unlike filters, photographic styles intelligently adjust colors during capture while preserving skin tones. For night photography, don't tap the shutter immediately. Hold the phone steady and allow night mode to increase the exposure time automatically. The iPhone 17 Pro Max has advanced night mode processing that captures brighter and more detailed images in low light. One final pro tip: in Camera Settings, tap on Camera Control. Customize the Camera Control button for faster access to your favorite camera functions. Many users never explore these options, but they can speed up shooting and make switching lenses much easier. And that's it. With these settings enabled, your iPhone 17 Pro Max will capture sharper photos, better portraits, cleaner videos, and more professional-looking content. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which camera feature you want me to test next.